Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and today we have a special guest, Miss Giant Pimple. But we're just gonna ignore that. So today's video, I am going to have a random generator app pick my makeup. As you guys know, I film on my phone, so I have my really old iPad here. I got this in like 2012. I already put in like all the options and I'll go through them with you guys. So let's just jump right in and start with primer. So before we spin it, I will read you off the choices and insert a picture. I obviously have all of these products in my collection, but I didn't want to go and like dig all of them out since I'm only going to be using one of them in the end. So you know what all of them look like, I'll throw up a picture and then we'll spin the wheel and get started. So we have the Too Faced Hangover Primer, the Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist, the Smashbox Primerizer, a Touch in Soul primer water thing that I got a sample of. Or we also have an option for no primer. Now, I have nothing on my face right now other than the moisturizer that I applied this morning. So let's do it. Hopefully you guys are going to be able to, maybe if I hold a little closer. Okay, I'm scared. Here we go. None. Great. All right, well, on to the next one. I'm gonna go ahead and go through this as I would normally do my makeup. So normally the next thing I would do is brows. Our options are the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Pencil, the Benefit Brow Contour, the ColourPop Brow Pomade, or the Benefit Goof Proof Pencil. So here we go. Benefit Goof Proof. Okay. Let me grab that. I only have a little bit left of it, so hopefully we're gonna get a full brow out of it. And then when I use the Goof Proof, I always use either the Benefit Clear Brow Gel, or, where is it? The Benefit Gimme Brow. So I will do that, pick one of those regardless. All right. Okay, so that is my brows done, and I'm gonna use the the Gimme Brow to set. So for the next step, I am going to do what I normally would do for my makeup routine. Because of the fact that I have sensitive eyes, I don't want my entire makeup look to go downhill if I do something out of the ordinary and then it makes my eyes tear and everything. So for my eyeshadow base, I'm gonna do what I normally do. So that's a little bit of a cheat, but everything else is gonna be using the generator. So I'm just going to apply my eyeshadow base as I normally would, and I'll be right back. So next thing is going to be eyeshadow, obviously. So there's a couple palettes on here that I don't really use anymore, and I'm kind of hoping that it doesn't pick those, simply because I'm lazy and I don't want to have to go dig them out of the cabinet that they're in. But we'll see. So I have the Naked palette, the original Naked palette, the Naked 3 palette, the Laura Lee Los Angeles Nudie Patootie palette, a NYX rainbow palette that I have. I forget what it's called, but I'll throw a picture up, and if that one gets picked, you're going to see it anyway. The Jeffree Star Androgyny palette, and yeah, so let's see. Oh no! Oh! I don't want to get it out. Oh my god. Alright. Be right back. Okay, so it wasn't as difficult to get out as I thought it was going to be. So we have the Naked 3 palette right here. I used to use this all the time, but I really don't anymore. But we're going to today. I'm going to go in first with the shade Limit and start putting that in my crease. I don't remember how this color actually shows up, but we're going to see. So I'm going to kind of really blow that out. A big wash of color kind of over the entire crease. The shimmers are great, but I feel like there's not enough like crease blending colors. Like there's literally this color that I'm using right now, a slightly darker one that we're going to use next, and then like a really, really dark one that like might not even be completely matte. No, I guess it is, but, and that's it. Like, I feel like this palette would be infinitely better if there was a warm chocolate brown. Like, that's all it needs. And then it would be really, really good. So anyway, same brush, we're going to go into the shade Nooner. I thought it was Mooner, but it's Nooner. Okay, so now I'm taking a smaller blender brush and I'm going to go in with the dark brown, gray, black, whatever it is, called Dark Side. Now I'm going to go back in with a little bit of the first shade we used, just to blend the top. I'm going to highlight the brow bone with the shade Burnout. And then I'm going to do a mix of Liar and Mugshot for the lid. That is our eye look done for now. I'll go back and do the lash line after I've done my foundation and everything. So, obviously, next up for the random selection is foundation. So, I have the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, the Makeup Forever Foundation. Is it a specific one? Matte Velvet Skin. It's a sample, so that's why I had to check. And then, where is it? I think it's the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation is the other one. Which, if it gets chosen, I'll confirm exactly which one it is. And is that it? Is that all of them? Yes, that is all of them. Here we go. What does that say? L'Oreal. Really? I always do that one. I mean, alright. I don't want to do it again because I feel like that's cheating. This is my go-to, but I guess we're using it today. And alright, now where is my Y6 brush for Morphe? As Laura Lee would say, even though it's the M6 now, I think. They changed it, but I still have this one, so. Okay, so that is the foundation done, and I didn't realize my phone was not recording when I spun for the concealer, but it picked the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, so that is what I'm going to use. Oh, and I need to pick the setting spray right now too, because I have to do that quickly. So let's pick the setting powder. We have the Maybelline Loose Powder, the Maybelline Master Fix powder, which I only have a little bit left of, so that would be interesting. The Makeup Forever translucent powder, or the Airspun powder. I'm scared. Master Fix. Okay. Here it is. So let's see how much I can get out of this. Okay. We have it there. This is stark white, so we're gonna see what happens. Got my beauty blenders ready. And this is super full coverage. So I have to not put on as much as I normally would with another concealer. That's probably even too much. But I do want some glam. Also gonna do some... Oh shit, I forgot they said this dries quickly. Oh my god. Okay, shit. I forgot. I'm scared now. Oh my god. I forgot. They said do one at a time because it dries really quickly. That is going to be a stamp on my forehead. Yes, I said forehead, not forehead. Also, this is really light. I didn't realize how light this was when I used it yesterday. Okay, what is really nice about this is it is not creasing, even though I'm taking a really long time to... I'm going to do this with a brush. Okay, let's set this shit. I'm setting... Oh god, I don't know how this is gonna be. It's hard to say, like, if I'm putting on enough because I literally can't see it. Oh god. Oh, I inhaled it. Just realized I should not be setting my forehead because I want to put more on there, but I guess I'm not doing that because I don't want to risk, like, fucking it up. Let's try to put a little bit on my nose. Where's my frickin' baby sponge? Here we go. Oh, Lord. I hope you enjoyed my complete and total panic. Alright, let's brush this away and hope I don't turn into Flashback Mary. Okay, now just really quickly, for any parts of my face that I didn't set with that powder, because I don't have a lot of it, I'm just using my Fit Me compact, and I'm also gonna maybe try to take away some of the white cast. I know that's kind of cheating, but I mean, sorry. I know I have a pretty harsh light on me, but when I'm done, I will go into less harsh lighting for you guys to see how this really looks. In person, it doesn't look too bad right now. On camera, it definitely looks real pale. But, I mean, not bad, I don't think. Let's just keep going. Next up is bronzer. We have the Morphe Lo-Fi palette, the NYX blush in the shade Taupe, which I always use, the Illuminates contour palette, the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and the NARS bronzer that I have, like the little bronzer blush duo. Some of those are definitely too warm for me, so let's go. What does that say? Too Faced. Okay, I think I could do that. That one's not like super, super warm. Next up, we have blush. So first up, we have the NARS Orgasm blush from that duo that I mentioned. A Too Faced peach blush, a Tarte blush that I don't remember what it's called, but if it gets picked, I'll show you. A City Color matte blush, and a Maybelline Fit Me blush that I always use. Does that say Maybelline? Oh, okay, that's easy. Low-key boring, but like, it is what it is. Okay, and next, my favorite part, highlighter. So we have the Tarte Skin Twinkle palette, the Illuminate Contour and Highlight palette, the Jeffree Star X Manny MUA Eclipse highlighter, the Laura Lee Loose Highlight, I forget which shade it's called that I have, but the Hourglass whatever highlight that I still have but I don't use because it's not pigmented at all, so just watch, we're gonna get that one. Knock on wood. And the Lunar Beauty highlight palette in the shade Medusa that I always use. Okay. Does that say Jeffree Star? Jeffree Star? Okay. Next up is going to be setting spray, because I like to do setting spray before I do my mascara, as you guys know. So we have the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray, the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix, is that what it is? Yeah, Mist and Fix. The Tarte, where is it? It's the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea spray. The Pixie Makeup Fixing Mist, or whatever it's called. The Morphe setting spray. The Milani setting spray. We got a lot of choices for setting spray because I live for setting spray. The Morphe setting spray, the Milani setting spray, and the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray. Here we go. I didn't want to use this. It's a Makeup Forever Mist and Fix, but that's what we're using. Oh, I totally forgot to go back and do my lash line. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. So that's what we're gonna do now. So back to the Naked 3 palette. I'm gonna take the shade Mooner and drag it along my lash line. Then, as I always do with my sensitive eyes, I don't like to put shimmer in the inner corner, so I use a little bit of white eyeliner and that brightens it up. Now for mascara. We have the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, a MAC mascara, the Too Faced Better Than Sex, the Benefit Roller Lash, the Maybelline, what is this one? Big Shot. Or I thought it would be interesting and potentially self-sabotage if I put in there the Pixie Lower Lash Mascara, if I tried to do that on my top lashes too. So, let's spin. Really though? Why do I just keep getting my everyday products? I mean, not that I'm mad that I didn't have to put the Pixie Lower Lash Mascara on my top lashes, but damn. Okay, and last but not least, lips. Okay, so first of all of these choices except one are Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and that's simply because his brand just happens to be the one that I own the most, like, variety of colors, like, in out of the ordinary colors, and that's just tea. JSC, Unicorn Blood, Popsicle Dream, Delicious, You're Still on the Property, and then lastly we have ColourPop Get a Room. Popsicle Dream. Okay. I mean, who knows? It could look good. It could look really weird. I don't know. It's this purple. Ooh. I mean, it's not terrible, but I don't really like it either. So I moved the light back a little bit, so hopefully it was a little less harsh. But this is the look. I think I'm getting used to it, the purple lip. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.